Bonjour, bienvenue dans ce nouvel épisode d'Extrait Audio. L'investissement, le trading. Vous avez déjà entendu mais vous ne savez pas par où commencer. Ce livre audio est parfait pour vous guider pas à pas dans tes projets d'investissement. Lancez-vous dans l'écoute de ce complément complet qui te donnera des stratégies, des conseils pour débuter et atteindre ta liberté financière. N'oubliez pas, l'audiobook est offert juste en suivant les étapes dans le tuto dans la suite de la vidéo. Comme d'habitude, écoutons d'abord un petit extrait.
Are you tired of losing your hard-earned money to misguided Forex trades? Have you been losing and would love to get some simple tips and tricks that will steer you to the winning side? Do you want to know what are the risks, how to control them, and not losing your profits? If your answer is yes, then keep reading. This audiobook is created to help you understand what Forex is, how to day trade it, where to trade it, and how to avoid the pitfalls that waste the investment of many beginners. It takes you through the basics and reveals how anyone can day trade Forex with great success, consistently. With this audiobook, you'll learn the ins and outs of Forex trading so you can get started today. It provides a fast way to catch up with the essentials of Forex trading and breaks down intricate details to simple terms and concepts. Packed full of expert tools and tactics and superior winning strategies that will help you trade profitably and break free from your 9-to-5 job, this audiobook will arm you with a great deal of pre-trading knowledge and a unique trading psychology that will help you grow your daily market profits. In this book, you will learn basics of Forex trading, how to trade in Forex trading, platforms and tools for Forex trading, the right mindset in Forex trading, technical and fundamental analysis, applying specific strategies and some tips for Forex traders, good advice to do an analysis, managing your money, and much more. Many traders avoid Forex trading because of the myth that it's risky, difficult to understand. However, this is not true. After reading this book, your mentality will change completely and you will start to see Forex differently. Would you like to know more? Scroll to the top of the page and select the Buy Now button